Okay, cordial greeting tutor and peers. My name is Alberto Escobar. I share with you the country Japan. I will talk about the country Japan. I will share with you some adjectives that characterize the Japanese with respect to other countries. Okay, you should know that Japan is a wonderful country with very kind, educated people who greet with reverence, which is their typical greeting as part of their etiquette. They are very punctual people at all times. They are kind and considerate. They are very punctual. Um, Considerate. They are hardworking, respectful, shy, and intelligent. They like to do things in groups, and they are very clean. Okay. When you visit in Japan, before entering a place, you must remove your shoes. Okay, before entering a closed place out of respect for the culture. Okay, you are supposed to know about Japanese culture before going to visit Japan. Okay. Um, um, when you enter a closed place, it's acceptable to remove the shoes from the feet. Okay. When the Japanese greet with reverence, you should do the same back. Okay, it is supposed that when you must go to place at a specific time, you must be at that agreed time. Signs, they are very punctual. Okay. Okay. Um, when they greet with reverence, the Japanese expect that you to do the same, right? You should know about the Japanese that they always work as a team. It's customary the respect for all the people, women, children, men, women, animals, and ecosystem is common for all Japanese. Okay, you need to ask for a favor, and they are very kind to collaborate in everything that you need. Okay. Um, when you are in Japan, you are supposed to wear good clothes. Signs, they are very conservative in the way that they dress, cover the body very well. It's not acceptable to light a cigarette because you will cause a penalty fee. Okay, it's not acceptable to throw garbage in the street. These are very impeccable. Okay. Okay, thank you very much.